Are you interested in testing your home for radon gas? If you are a resident of Genesee County, you can pick up one radon test kit at no cost from the Genesee County Health Department. Residents of other counties can purchase a test kit from their local hardware store. When you arrive to the Genesee County Health Department, you will fill out a brief application and receive your test kit. Once you have your radon test kit envelope, open it up to reveal the contents. Inside, you should have a radon test kit canister, an instruction sheet, a testing for radon sheet, a foil label sticker, and an RTCA information card. When you are ready to begin your radon test, start by filling out the RTCA information card. Using a pencil, fill out the information in the test start date, time zone, test location temperature zone, test location, test site address, and the purpose of test sections. Remove the top foil sticker from the radon test kit and place it on the lowest level of occupancy in your home. This is typically either your basement or first floor, depending on if the space is regularly used. Do not remove the seal that is around the test kit. Test kits should be placed 2 to 6 feet from the floor, at least 3 feet away from doorways, hallways, windows, exterior walls, and heating and air conditioning vents. Tests should be run in closed house conditions. Do not place the canister in a draft. Do not place in a still air section of the room, such as inside a drawer, closet, or cabinet. Do not place a kit near any heat source or in any areas with high humidity, such as bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, closets, or damp basements. Leave the test kit out for at least 2 days, but no more than 7 days. Your radon result will be inconclusive if under or overexposure occurs. After the 2 to 7 days, seal your test kit canister with a foil label sticker that was in your envelope. Fill in the test stop date section of the RTCA information card. Remove the lower portion of the barcode label from the bottom of the canister to keep for your records. Remove the next portion of the barcode label from the bottom of the canister and place it on the RTCA information card where noted. Put the test kit canister and the RTCA information card back in the envelope and mail to RTCA within 7 days of stopping the test. If you wait longer than 7 days, your results will be inconclusive. Once the test is completed, sent in, and analyzed, you will then receive a letter in the mail from the health department with the results of your radon test. If you have any questions or are interested in receiving a radon test kit, call the Genesee County Health Department at 585-344-2580, extension 5555.